Now we're looking at 2015, or no, question 15, part B. We're looking to calculate the yield stress here. Well, first of all, we look at the graph here, and we see that the yielding behavior starts. Where does the yielding start? The yielding starts around here somewhere, you know. Comparing that pattern with the pattern in the notes, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 7th, between the 6th and the 7th, say, value. So what are the coordinates, or what's the values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Say between the two of them, if we took 176 as the yielding load, so that's 176,000 newtons, right? If that was our load, and to get the yielding stress, it's going to be sigma stress equals force over area. Now we've already calculated our cross-sectional area below here, so we're going to finish question 15 part B here. The yielding stress equals 176,000 is our force, divided by our area is 490.87 by 10 to the minus 6. And when we do that in the calculator, we get about 358.5 by 10 to the 6, and that is going to be, what's that going to be, with newtons on top and with meters squared below. So that's our yielding stress.